Now this, obviously it doesn't look great yet, but this is going to be the way it looks with the larger door. Basically, if I just cover up all the nasty stuff, all the cracks and slice lines, it'll look good. This will go in here, like so. And then the massive engine that the UH1Y has is going to go on top of that. Okay, here's where we're at now. We've got our beautiful little blinky lights that I soldered last night. And I've got the helicopter coming together. You can tell that the inside of it doesn't look great yet, but what's going to happen is these little puppies, put this on the correct side, the left, are going to go like that and then be glued in. And then this puppy's going to go over them. Everything's a puppy. Like that. And that's going to cover that up. And then it's just going to be a blinky light out the side. And then of course on the other side, and then on the top and the bottom where the holes are. Alright, I've now got this all screwed together. It looks kind of like Frankenstein's monster. These fusion points where I connected everything are obvious. But I did get the seats in, and I'm going to cover up all those things. Alright, here's where we're at. It's definitely starting to take form. The engine is complete, which is super exciting. Note to self, I should have sanded the 3D prints a little better because you can see the band lines, which annoys me deeply. Nonetheless, it looks pretty good. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is very gross, so please be forewarned. And if you're grossed out by stitches and cuts, then please fast forward the video. So I was using my Dremel to cut the bottom of the Huey, where there was a 3D printed piece of the floor, which I just decided to remove instead. But now I will be paying a couple $100 for the ER because I cut my finger with the Dremel. Went right into it. It was just like flash of a second, and it jerked, and oh my gosh, it wouldn't stop bleeding. It was horrible. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that. It's just a labor of love.